Good morning, Colorado. This is Cleat with Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I want to tell you about a hidden jewel that we have here at the store. We have a front load set that's just an amazing deal. So it starts off with this Whirlpool front load washer, and you know front load washers, they generally wash better than a top load washer. And this is a really nice one, and it's very large. It's 4.2 cubic foot, and that means it's large enough to handle whatever your family can put in it. So it's really, really good. We've matched this with the Samsung front load dryer. Now this Samsung dryer is huge. It'll handle whatever we can put inside this washer. So if we can actually fit a king size comforter inside this, and this will dry it easily. So this is really a great deal. Now, why am I bringing this to you? We put together a Whirlpool with the Samsung. What does that do for you? Well, let me tell you what. We picked out the best deal we could find in a Whirlpool washer. We picked out the best deal we could find in a Samsung dryer, and we put them together, and we're giving you a set for a lot less than we would sell you each individual piece. That makes it really good for you. So Lowe's, Home Depot, right now, they have laundry sets where when you break it down, your washer's about $629.99 each, your dryer's $629.99. It's a pretty good sell. But here, when we do this, $529.99, $529.99. The whole set comes in about $200 under what our competitors could do. So come in this week. It's ready for you now. These are in stock at every store in Appliance Factory. Look forward to seeing you.